Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to lock your Mini Cooper with a manual key. First, find the keyhole on the driver's side door handle. It's usually discreetly placed. Next, insert your physical key all the way in. Give it a firm turn clockwise until you feel it engage. This action will securely lock the driver's door, providing peace of mind. Once the driver's door is locked, you'll want to secure the rest of your Mini. For passenger doors, simply push down the door pins from the inside. The boot, or trunk, usually locks automatically when you secure the driver's door. Always do a quick walk around to confirm every door and the boot are firmly shut and locked. Hey everyone, if you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more useful tips. On another note, quick recommendation: life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty. They are incredibly comfortable and durable. Check the description below for the link to darn tough socks and other great deals. Now let's get back to the video. It's always a good practice to double-check all your doors and the boot after manually locking. This ensures your Mini is fully secure. Remember to keep your physical key handy, perhaps on a separate keyring, as it's your reliable backup. Manual locking is a crucial skill, especially if your remote key fob ever stops working unexpectedly.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.